what we have here is Intel Galileo. This is a board made for makers and people who like to play with things in their hobby. So you can control all kinds of applications with this. It has an Ethernet connection, it has an SD card slot, USB up here, and many, many connectors, including the standard Arduino connector sockets, which will make it very flexible. On your left-hand side, we have Intel Edison, and you can compare the size to this €1 coin. It's very, very small. It does very similar things as the Galileo board, but this one is more suitable for wearables and very tiny applications, and for more professional use cases. If we then move over here, you see one application of a Galileo board. So this one is connected to the cloud with this internet connection, and at the same time we have an Asus phone pad, which is basically a standard phone. It's also connected to the cloud to this application called Muzzley. And what I can do here now is I can control this LED strip with my application on the phone, and I can change the colors, I can change the pattern. So now it would make a little bit of a theme here. And of course, I can let it flash in blue, anything. So the point here is really that I can control the Galileo board from the cloud. And I could be anywhere. I'm right next to it here in Milan, but I could be in New Zealand, I could be in Australia. So long as I have an internet connection, I can control it. And I can control this LED strip, but you could be controlling your home lighting system, your air conditioning system, your heating, or your coffee maker, anything really. The only limitation is your own imagination. And I wanted to show you that the limitation is really the imagination only, because right here we have a toy that we're controlling with Galileo. So normally you turn it on and off with this button, but an engineer of Intel attached these two wires, and now we can connect the bubble maker through that Galileo board, and it's listening to Twitter. I'll show you that too. Over here you see how it does it. It listens to Twitter using this using this 3G modem, and whenever it hears its own hashtag, it turns on the bubble maker.